Hello. Happy Monday. Good afternoon. Mm-mm-mm-mm. EPTVV, Chris, Stevens World, Petru Ambi, Victor Lopez, Eduardo, Dear VV, Swole Patrol, GCM, Keith Watts, MG, Al Droid, Texas Brown Eyed Girl, hello. What's happening? Good afternoon. Welcome to the Swag Show. Bark, Tom, O, Kino, Binaries, Baja, welcome in. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Swag Show. Thank you guys for being here. How's everybody doing on this magnificent Money Monday? What is going on with my screen? I don't know. Am I off center or something? Hell, I don't know. Can y'all see? Okay. It looks good over on the Purple app. Looks good on YouTube. And it looks good on the Tiki-Taki. Good afternoon. Let's get this party started. Christopher Tien Kwan Hagwan, welcome in. We are watching Big Bang, NQ Big Bang. It's way off over here, sorry. Big Bang NQ, one of the premium algorithms. Michael Anthony Newton Success, Bobby Brooks, welcome in. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. 80% off sale on Apex, once again in effect. Use code SWAGSHOW for 80% off. Apex code is SWAGSHOW. 80% off. GCM Trading, welcome in. Kana, hello. Full Port KG, welcome in over on the Purple app. Hello, thank you for being over there. Make sure you give me a follow over on the Purple app. If you don't, it's just Swag Show Kyle. I appreciate it. Doesn't cost you a thing. Welcome in, my man. Welcome in. Thank you for being here over on the Purple app. I'm on TikTok. I'm on X. I'm on Purple app. I'm not live on X, but I am over on X. But I'm live on TikTok, the Purple app, and YouTube. Showing you the algorithms each and every day, Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope everybody is having a fantastic, magnificent Money Monday. Making that money. Been kind of tough this morning. Got to be careful. Mondays can be a little rough, a little wicked and violent on the wicks. So just make sure you're swagging. $290 there on Big Bang NQ, one of the premium strategy algorithms. We got Silver Oracle in a trade. The new box seats, silver, 1 for 1 for $12.50. NQ new, green 350, gold 500. Early was 2 for 2. I think might have taken a third one. I don't know. Rambone Matt, welcome in. Cash Savvy Pro, welcome in. Hello. Amirik Jasso. NQ early hit 2 for 2 and I shut it off. And then I took a couple of manual trades and I was done for the day by before 10 o'clock. All from what you can learn from the power of the digital mentorship, learning how to manually trade based on top of the algorithms running for you. Cool Clips, welcome in. Manual alert has been set. We're waiting on a pullback here. But you're going to have to turn that down a little, okay, if you're going to be in here. The timer comes back tomorrow on day 90, but after all this training, Bobby's World, welcome in. Hello, good afternoon. Going to bed, just saying hi. All right, brother. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Hopefully the algorithms made you some money today. Keep tapping that screen. Where's everybody at? Welcome in. Good afternoon. What do you know? It is the Swag Show. Ow. So once again, NQ early, 2 for 2, I think. Prop, green 800, it was green 12, lost 2. Silver Oracles in a $900 trade. Gold 1 for 1 for 500. NQ new 1 for 1 for 350. Silver box seats 1 for 1 for 1250. Silver day 900 is green 125. Yeah. NQ finally breaking out here and going up, up and away. We shall see. Alexander, welcome in. 80% off Apex code is Swag Show. If you want to get some Apex accounts, the evals are now 80% off. The $140 activation fee. So, it's, a little expensive. Daniel, welcome in. Good afternoon. Be right back, chat. Okay, come lay down and watch your tablet. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Welcome back. Keep tapping that screen. Where's everybody at? I'll do it myself. Dallas, welcome in. Green Dinosaur, it looks like. Hello, what do you know? Welcome in, welcome in. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. It is 1:11 on June 9th. Cash Savvy, Lewis Usman, Kana. Welcome in. What do you know? It's the ES Big Bang here. Trying to see if we can follow it along with NQ and move on up here. Stipo STK, welcome in. Good afternoon. What's happening? It's a magnificent Money Monday morning, afternoon. I hope you swagged. I hope you stopped when you were at your goal. I hope you didn't overtrade. Hope you didn't revenge trade. Have any FOMO, any of that bad stuff. All of that negative juju. Get it out there. Get rid of the negative juju. The Dune. Premium alerts are 100 bucks for the first week, 500 bucks a month after that. Standard algorithms are 250 bucks for the first 2 weeks, then 1,000 bucks a month after that. Or if you want the premium algorithms or the digital mentorship, just email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Let her know what you're interested in and what you want to do. Super Z, what's up? How you doing today? Happy magnificent Money Monday morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at on planet Earth. We're hoping NQ goes up. I hope that's what's up. Need an NQ to go up here. We need ES to go up, obviously, with it. Hopefully that's... I don't know why all of a sudden it's moving down. Well, I hope you got some of it, Nate. On my end, it should have probably stayed at the original, but I saw some things move that said to move it up a little bit. But if you got in at 21,855, you should have made a nice profit there. Hanging on, Kyle. Can you use a cash account with Apex on Replicanto? I can't find an answer. Yes, so you can have Apex accounts. Then you can have a separate cash account through NinjaTrader, and you can use Replicanto to copy trade all of them. So, Nate, where'd you get in at? Did you get in at 855? This is just pulling back way more than I thought it was going to. I did. My signal was spotty, so it hit 855. So yeah, that would have ran up over 10 points then. That would have ran up 10 points for sure. You're good to go. I don't know why this one's just hopefully that's the bottom of this candle and it moves up from there. Let's see. There's no way to put silver on the screen. Welcome in, no, good afternoon. It is the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading. Music is too loud. There we go. Thank you for that, Tiger. I appreciate you. Turn that down a little bit. Nothing else in the trade except for Silver Oracle right now. The premium alert, we are in a long, almost got stopped out. Came within 2 ticks. Actually, it came within 1 tick of getting stopped out on the premium alert. But we're still in it. We're hoping that was all it was going to do. Now it's going to go back up. Could have got long from 21,840. $839-ish, somewhere in there. You would have been okay. Or, I guess if you would have gotten short from 50, it worked out on a nice 16-point move almost. But we're long from 864. We're hoping that it continues up here. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you being here. How's everybody's Monday going? Kind Leaf, welcome back. How you been? Good afternoon, good afternoon. Let's see, is Santa in a trade? Santa's in a trade here. We'll watch this, see if this long plays out. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it goes on a $300-400 long here. Hey, remember, Apex has their 80% off sale going on right now. If you want 80% off of an Apex account eval, just use the code Spike Show to help me help you help others. So far, we are 1 out of 2 on the alerts today. This one might be 1 out of 3 here. We'll see if it can turn around for us. We'll see if it can turn around for us. This is NQ here. Nothing in the trade really to show you guys so far today. Hopefully this 125, 130 candle moves it around and it keeps going back up the way it was going. We need it to go up, and away here. For the people playing at home, if you got the first alert at 8:55 and you didn't move it up, you should have went long. You should have got at least 10 points of profit out of that alert. So yeah, super. If you apply for a NinjaTrader account, you can load cash into it, and then you could have your Apex accounts. Then you could have as many, 20 funded Apex accounts. You can have Take Profit. You can have Tradeify, and you could copy them all with Replicanto. So, well, there's 5 points. There's 7 points. There's 8 points. First target hit. Target one hit plus $76 from 64 plus 12 points. All right, so it hit. Got in 855, $100 on 2 micros. There you go, man. It just hit my stop loss, my trailing stop loss on the alert. So it hit target one, and then it ran up to 12 points, and the trail kicked in, and it hit target or the trail stop. So yeah, another good trade. So actually, we are 2 out of 3 today on the day. 2 out of 3 on the manual alerts on NQ today. So now we just sit and wait and see if it's going to give us another opportunity to do another trade, but most people should be done by now. Most people should be done by now. I don't want to sit here and trade all day, guys. I really I wouldn't be sitting here looking at it at all if I didn't have to come on here and stream for you people. I should be done by 10:30, 11 in the morning and go do something else the rest of the day. Might have to talk with Lauren about that and see if we can go live a little earlier. Maybe switch up the schedule. So how did everybody else do today? Did everybody have a good day? Did you have a good Monday? Did you swag? Did you stop when you're at your goal? Daniel got $800 on 2 micros, so there you go. Nate the fishing realtor, he got in at 855 as well. So that one ran up like 10, 12 points before it pulled back. Oh, so yeah, should have gotten some good money. Some good money. $500 just on alerts on my 25K eval. There you go. You're a third of the way to passing it already. You're already a third of the way to passing it on just alerts. I hit right at my goal. Not that anybody cares today, but I did. So I'm proud of that. It's day 6. I need to get to day 10 and continue to make right around the $400 mark per day. And then, like I said, then we should be able to take a withdrawal and move it down to $100 a day after that. A lot less stressful once you have that buffer built up. We're basically halfway there. We're halfway to $5,000 anyway. I would like to have $5,000 in there, but I don't necessarily need it because I am going so small. Once I move it to $100 daily target, so. It is 1:30 on Monday, June 9th. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome in. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I am your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Keep tapping that screen. Thank you for being here. Hey Ray, how you doing? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. 2 for 3 today on the alerts. 32 points of total profit at the high water mark. Hey, it's Vinny. What's happening, Vinny? Hello, hello. Kind of topping out here around this 21,850. Big candlestick. Big candlestick, and then pull back hammer top, then drop, 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 then up, then down, then up, then down. So now it should go back up, right? All things considering. All things considering, it should be moving back up, hopefully. Nothing else in the trade to show you right now, but that's okay. Some days it just be like that. Might just end it early if there's nothing exciting going on. I thought Trump or somebody was supposed to be talking. I don't know. Keegan, turn that down, bud. NQ prop. Show it off a little bit here. It's been having a good day. It's over $1,000 on the day. Break on through to the other side. Well, it hit 200 on the chart thingy. That was close. As close as you're going to get. Just didn't get filled, I guess. There it goes. One more little push. There it is. Another 200 bucks. $1,200 on this particular strategy called NQ Prop. One of the premium strategy algorithms brought to you by BoldBot. If you want more information on it, email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Santa in a $215 long here. NQ day waves in a long as well. NQ day waves in a long, Santa in a long. Everything's in a long from 21,859 and 21,854 on Santa. $210, $220, $240, $250 on Santa, $100 on NQ Day Waves. You can see that on the Purple app and YouTube. If you don't follow me on the Purple app, please go do that. It's free. That's just Swag Show Kyle on Twitch. Otherwise, I'm on the main BoldBot YouTube page or right here on TikTok. Pink line has moved up above. That means it's guaranteed green. Locked in profit. Razor, welcome in. Good afternoon. Happy Monday. Up, and away we go. We're up to 275, $300 almost at the high water mark of this NQ Santa trade, as well as $200 on NQ Day Waves. Both part of the premium algorithms that you get when you sign up through BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Just email us. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. How high can it go? Nobody knows. Daniel, what? I have no idea what you meant by that, buddy. It hurts my brain to even try and figure out what you meant by that. What me you to start trading? What? What? What made you start trading? Oh, I don't know. I think I was originally interested in it back when I was about 10 years ago when I had like a Fidelity account through my job and I was able to like borrow money through them based off of margins on my 401k and just invest in stocks and like try and invest that way. But then my buddy Josh, he showed me the futures market and he showed me Lauren's like YouTube page and TikTok. Well, back then it was Twitter. And I just started watching her and saw how much money he was making doing it. So I think it just kind of was like I knew I needed a better way to make money besides working a regular 9 to 5 job. And I just started trying to learn as much from him and from Lauren's digital mentorship and watching her and just saw the opportunity that there could be financial freedom from doing this. It just takes a lot of time and effort and discipline to get there. So mainly the most thing is because I have 3 young boys and I want to be able to provide for them what I didn't have growing up. So that's one of the main reasons why this has to work for me. And that's why I guess I started trading full time. I was tired of working for making somebody else rich and giving away half my life to a company that didn't give a crap about me. So, yeah, that's probably why. All that rolled up into one. But thank you for that question. I appreciate it. Now it's all about my boys and trying to make as much money as possible for them, but at a safe and slow and steady rate. Do, do, do. 400 bucks on this Santa trade, 260 on the NQ Day Waves trade. I think that was the pullback we needed. Could have got long at 21,840 and been in great shape. Be up 33 points right now. Thank you for everybody over there. Marvin Dukes, what up on YouTube? Thank you for being over there. If you're on the Purple app, welcome in. Thank you for the comments and viewing over on the Purple app. It's free. All you got to do is create a Twitch account. Follow me, Swag Show Kyle. If you're looking for Apex, it's 80%